Hello sharks, my name is Demetrios. I'm from Boston, Massachusetts, and I'm seeking $200,000 in exchange for 20% equity stake in my company, Better Air Seal, BAS for short. BAS is a unique, patented device that solves a big problem for millions of people around the world and here in the US. Real bad installations of window air conditioners, like this, and like this. BAS replaces these two plastic curtains because they just simply don't work. They make it difficult to install your AC, they provide zero protection for your window and very little insulation. They just don't work. Please let me show you how it works. It's that simple. BAS will save you energy, it will save you money, it will help reduce greenhouse gases, and it will pay for itself in a year or two. Sharks, the problem is real. The solution is here. Let's make a deal. Thank you.